In a world that moves at lightning speed, finding ways to maintain a healthy lifestyle can be a challenge. Enter the Nutri Ninja Pro, a powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction wizard that fits perfectly into your fast-paced life. With 900 watts of professional power, this compact dynamo breaks down fruits and vegetables, transforming them into nutrient-rich juices and smoothies that you can enjoy on the go. Say goodbye to missed nutrients and hello to a healthier you. Here are the key features of Ninja Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender BL456. Harnessing the power, 900 watts of nutrient extraction. The Nutri Ninja Pro isn't your average blender. It's a nutrition powerhouse with 900 watts of professional power. This remarkable force effortlessly breaks down fruits and vegetables, unlocking hidden nutrition that might have gone unnoticed. Every sip becomes an opportunity to nourish your body with vitamins and minerals in their purest form. Extracting nutrition, the Ninja Pro Extractor Blades. Behind every sip of your rejuvenating juice or smoothie are the Ninja Pro Extractor Blades. These precision-engineered blades crush through ice, seeds, skins, and stems, ensuring a silky smooth consistency that tantalizes your taste buds. With each blend, you're treating yourself to a drink that's not only delicious but also brimming with vital nutrients. Elevating convenience, sip and seal lids for on-the-go living. Embrace the freedom of mobility with the Nutri Ninja Pro's ingenious sip and seal lids. Twist them on, and your drinks are ready to accompany you on your journey. Whether you're conquering a busy morning or fueling your workouts, these spill-proof lids make sure your nourishing beverages are always by your side. Perfectly balanced blending. Manual pulse for consistency. Blending is an art, and the Nutri Ninja Pro lets you become the artist. Its manual pulse feature empowers you to crush ice, seeds, skins, stems, and even frozen ingredients with precision. Achieve the desired texture and consistency that suits your taste, whether it's a velvety smooth potion or a slightly chunky creation. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, a promise of safety and convenience. In a world where health and safety are paramount, the Nutri Ninja Pro stands tall as a beacon of responsibility. All parts of this remarkable blender are BPA-free, ensuring that your beverages remain pure and untainted by harmful chemicals. Additionally, the dishwasher-safe feature makes cleanup a breeze, allowing you to focus on enjoying your creations. Revolutionizing cleanup. Quick tips for easy maintenance. Maintaining your Nutri Ninja Pro is as easy as using it. After blending, simply fill the jar to the max fill line with warm water and a drop of dishwashing detergent. Place the blade assembly on the jar and pulse a few times to remove residue. Remember not to exceed the max fill line to prevent overflow. Once clean, remove the jar from the motor base and rinse all parts under running water. Allow them to dry before storing, and you're ready for your next blending adventure. Embrace wellness with Nutri Ninja Pro. In a world that craves efficiency without compromising health, the Nutri Ninja Pro emerges as a game changer. Its 900 watts of power, Ninja Pro Extractor Blades, and portable sip and seal lids redefine the art of blending. Every sip becomes an experience in nourishment, and every blend becomes a journey toward a healthier you. Embrace wellness with the Nutri Ninja Pro and let the power of nutrition transform your life.